Welcome back or welcome. Today's a big day. Now that we got Jordy's car on the ground, ready for the engine to go back in, it's time for me to go back to the car I've been putting off for a while, the Miata, and changing the color.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
And we made it. If you don't know where we are, we're at Brian's shop. I know I told you guys we were gonna prep and paint my car in Spien's garage, but the guy has been Mr. Worldwide. Brian was kind enough to offer me his space for the time being, so let's get this done.
Brian and Noah's shop.
It's Noah.
Yeah, it's my shop too. I got sick cars in here.
Should we show him the hot rod?
Car number one.
The 01 banger.
Yeah.
Spatula. Oh, shit. You guys sealed up the AC hole.
Yeah, dude. Come on.
Nice.
It's gross in here.
No, this is nice right now. Nolan's new cup.
Dude. Two of them bitches.
You got two wasted money.
We have a little bit of cleaning and moving to do before my car and the parts get in here, so let's get to it.
You're stuck right there. Alright, you stop. Go easy.
I can't see out of this.
You're good.
Nice.
I had one point of view the whole drive here.
Now to push this thing back in. So we're gonna use the Miata to tow in the Corvette. Let's see how this goes.
Back up a little bit more.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. No one's near that thing. You gotta give it a bump. No, steer it to the right. Give it a bump. Keep going, keep going. Turn right, right. Oh, you stop. Keep coming, keep coming. Stop. Alright, go forward. Oh, hold on. We got another hook. Come back. Alright, go forward.
So now that we got that pulled in, the car's in the booth is all clean, ready for us to start prepping in. I need to run to the store real quick to grab some few supplies we forgot, so we'll be right back. But we have side skirts for the KVD kit. Got my door panels that Jordy gifted me for our anniversary. There's a vision here, you'll see it eventually. Got my Minty Fresh wing from Scotland, and then obviously you got the KVD bumpers right here as well. Jordy, you ready for the store? So we are back and we got some snacks, obviously devoured, some materials that we were missing, and the girls were kind enough, thank you guys, to disassemble my car for the most part. Taillights out, no license plate, the headlight covers, front bumpers off, side skirts are off, mirrors. It's looking good. Thank you. If you didn't know, I finally sold my Heart taillights, so this is an end of an era. I did pick up these hefty, nafty clears from my friend OMG Miata. Check out her store. Have to get stock OEM harnessing still, but here are the bulbs. She was even kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys to get 10% off your next clears. Use Kai10 at checkout. The Heart taillight era is also why I made the Heartbreak gloves, so go buy a pair, as well as the Cold Hearted tee before the pre-order ends. finish panel off, working on the roll bar. For the rest of the night, I want to disassemble everything in the car that needs to come off, wipe it down so it's all clean and ready to prep tomorrow. Nice. Remember, this is a limitless auto fab bash bar. Make sure you check them out. Car is all clean for the most part. Is this what they mean when your friends bend their backs for you? If you guys didn't know, this is Savvy,
Hi.
the best girl around. She's trying to take up my
not?
break right now.
I don't want to break my back anymore.
Nice.
Ew, dirty.
Dirty. I don't even think it works. I think we got everything disassembled for the most part. The door handles, the little components.
Everything.
Yeah, we will be back tomorrow to continue prepping my car. This is overwhelming, exciting, overstimulating, but it's happening. It's finally happening. Introducing the Dream Team! As you guys know, I'm still a beginner painter, but I am very good at prepping. Kaylee here is very good at painting. Savvy is gonna help me prep. We're all gonna pitch in somehow.
Get this done.
We're gonna get this done.
It's gonna be a pretty car again soon.
So game plan today is focus on the kit, see how much paint we have. We might need to get some more, it's fine. We want to prime the kit by the end of the day. You guys think we can do it?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's realistic. Like, the longest part is gonna be prepping it and then getting the heater up to temperature because it's literally negative in here.
Yeah, we had to get some diesel earlier. It was a show, but we got it.
Yeah, we'll be fine. I think it's realistic. We can do it. Yeah.
Okay, so let's show you guys what supplies we got. I try to clean up everything as best as I can. If anyone knows, Brian's shop is a mess, so I can only do so much. But we got our Ajax to replace our scuff stuff for the kit. We got some scuff pads, gloves, D8 pads, 180 to 600, glass cleaner, microfiber wipes, acetone, water, extra of both because there's no water in the shop, unfortunately. We got our KBD paint guide. See, as you can see, Ajax with bleach powder cleaner, guns, Bondo spreaders, got a bunch of paint, clear, and primer in that box, as well as some other fun goodies. The girls just went to Dunkin' real quick, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the kit up on body stand so it's all ready to go when they get back. Are ready to rock. We're gonna have Kaylee demonstrating how to prep KBD.
So this is acetone. You never want to spray it directly on this because it will melt the plastic directly off. So what I usually do with raw plastic is I'll put it on a microfiber, one wet and one dry. And I'll like wipe a small area and also go over it with a dry one so it doesn't sit on there because it will eat the plastic. And we don't want that. We just want to wipe the that's on and off so the paint will stick.
Exactly. And we're gonna do that to this, and to those two back there. Just the kit though. Next on the list, bringing out our lovely Ajax. Like I stated before, this is gonna replace our scuff stuff because let's be honest, that is expensive. This is like $4 a can. Kaylee's spraying water. I'm gonna sprinkle this on and we're gonna scuff it with the red scuff pad.
Yeah, the only reason we're doing it this way is because we have no water here. It's frozen.
Teamwork makes the dream work, guys.
You also don't want to let the sit on here either, so we're gonna scrub a section, wipe it off. Get in there, Kai.
Get it in there! Now that they are all scrubbed, it is time to hit them again once more with the acetone. Kaylee is already on that.
So cold.
I got hand warmers in my Crocs. We just had to run out, one, to get food, and two, had to grab a couple more supplies. Got our Bulldog adhesive promoter. This is gonna make the paint stick. I got it ready.
I'm afraid to look at this. Maybe it's just like really goopy.
It's fine. It's fine. It's gonna be fine.
Stinks. Where has this been, Kai? Where did we find this? Oh my.
These notes really gonna lay on there.
No comment.
What's goopy?
Primer! Whoa. Oh, I love that. Oh. It says,
You really gotta grip that thing. Come on, light it. Yep.
I got it.
Yeah. We are A-okay.
Well, it's not yellow, so that's good.
Yes.
Let her rip.
Mix.
Mix. Stinks.
Stinky.
Ew.
Stinky. Kaylee is gonna spray the bumpers and I'm gonna spray the side skirts. So after the mishap with the primer, we got all new primer. This should be good. The kit has to be re-prepped since we left the Bulldog on it and it's not supposed to be left out in the open. And while the girls are starting that, I'm gonna start sanding the car, get this started, and hopefully we will have everything prepped by the end of the day. Let's time lapse this. Fit check. Me and the Miata match. Dude, it is so cold in the shop. The heater ran out of diesel, so you can see my breath, ready? Miata's all prepped for the most part, but for now, we're calling it a night. See you tomorrow. And we are back for another day of prepping the Miata. It's still cold and we still don't have heat, but we're gonna make the best of it.
It is warmer.
It is indeed warmer than it has been the past couple days. It's like 30-ish degrees right now, but it's okay. It's A-okay. We're gonna get it done. There she is. Need to tape off the molding and get the little areas that I couldn't reach because I didn't want to scratch the molding. Same with the doors, but it looks good so far. I didn't know they did body work on my fenders when I first got my car painted. It's fine. I flattened it out. So before we start sanding more, I need to blow off the car and see where we are at. Pressure sucks. We're gonna have a problem here. Moldings are all taped up for the most part. Look at that. We are working on getting that was loud. Working on getting the molding off for the soft top, as you guys can see. Pure red under here. I didn't even smack this one into the black. Making little progress. There's a lot of chip guard on the door, which is why it's taking some time, but it's fine. We're getting there. I'm having a little bit of issues with my DA, so I'm gonna hit a few things by hand. We'll see how that goes. My camera died, but I really did not want to take off the molding. I just wanted to tape it off and call it a day. I wish I recorded us messing with it, but there was no way it was that easy to take off. There was no screw holding this in place, nothing. So I wonder if the rest of it you can just slide off, because I'm not feeling any screws. I don't think this has ever been removed. Like, look at that. That's the original color of the car. I'm trying to use this as leverage, but not really working. Really stuck on there. While I take my breath, let me also explain the compressor is kind of messing up on us right now. Whatever. Having technical difficulties, but it is moving. I'll figure it out.
I'm a little overwhelmed.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is a lot of work. It's still super cold in here. We might just have to come back tomorrow and get this done. Back with the car, and unfortunately we are not doing anything today. I want to start off by saying I'm sorry. From the very get-go of this video, it has been very sporadic, and that's because it has been very sporadic. Not just editing, but the entirety of real life. We've had so many unforeseen obstacles smack us that weren't accounted for. Nothing's our fault, but unfortunately it is putting a pin in this project, which is, it's fine. I don't really have a set timeline for when I want this finished. I just want it done before the season starts, which, let's be honest, it's like April. It's still the middle of February. We have some time. Brian's shop, if you guys heard us mention numerous times, there's no water here. The pipes are frozen, so until that gets fixed, that's pretty much out of our control.
It's also 4 degrees in here.
Not only are the pipes frozen, the heater takes diesel. Diesel is expensive, but I did want to go over the car and what we did get done because I feel like I didn't really do that. It's pretty much standard for the most part. I know I told you guys I was messing around with the molding. I didn't know if I wanted to take it off. I want to tape it off, but I think I am going to just end up taping it off, because if it has been on there since 97, it's probably going to be a bitch to put back on. Door seals are going to have to come off eventually. Yeah, it'll be easy. My windshield got taken out by the recal guys. I've also been sick the past 2 days, if you can't tell. I did record them taking out my windshields, but of course I didn't talk over it. Yeah. They do all our windshield needs. Check them out. Super cool dudes. When they did take out my windshield, if you can see, there is a bit of rust going on all throughout the pillars. Car needs a little love. I'm not going to address this. I'm literally going to leave it and prime over it because it's flattened out. Can't really see it. If anyone was wondering what I'm going to do with that. When I first got the car, I cut off my... I didn't do anything. I had someone cut off my rockers and weld a new sheet of metal onto here, which you can see all the different... You can tell it's a f***ing metal plate. But I wanted to address this, fill in any gaps if there weren't any. Passenger side looks okay for the most part. It's honestly the driver's side I'm more worried about. Yeah. It's not much to worry about, but it's something.
Looks fine to me. Prime it, paint it, drive it.
Whatever. When I first got these doors, I knew they were also going to be a little work, and you can see the dings they have. I'm just gonna throw some filler on that bitch. It's fine. I still need to hit this back area, but in other news, my taillight harnessing came in. I ordered it from eBay, so those clears can just be plug and play once it's ready. So as of right now, I am going to clean up my mess, put all my shit out of the way, and we will be back next week. I'm not sure if we're going to be working on the Miata. It all depends on the pipe situation, but it started. If not, we'll be back to work on the TI because we still need to weld the diff and drain the gas. So stay tuned. See you guys next week. Please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to check out the new merch. Super limited quantity on the gloves. And the shirt is the last shirt that will have my car is black. So, bye.